It is like made for human tall beings because they're pretty small for those doors and those things and those stairs and everything. The grays are just too small. That thing is made for us, for humans, like with that size of the body. And there is some room forward that I see, and there is some being that is like bear-like, like a bear, but not exactly. It is closed, like, but it's intelligent because you can see it in 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 his or her eyes. I don't know what, if it's male or female. It is pretty intelligent. You can see it just by looking at his eyes. There is going down to that corridor, I see another rooms for different purposes, and the hangar remains behind. It's no longer there. I mean, remains behind me. I see that being, and then going forward, I see that there is a immense core like the center of this craft. If it's the center, I don't know, but it's like energy, white energy, like a fusion going there, and there are those rings going, different rings with shapes, doing 360 around that sphere of light, and you can walk around it. There are different bridges connecting to a one single bridge which is going on 360 around the sphere. You can look at it. There are beings all around the place walking here and there are different corridors there. You can go everywhere, but I don't remember all of them, and I don't know if I can get into those corridors because some of them are laboratories where they are doing DNA experiments or scientific experiments. I see it, and I can't get there. And there are other, I don't know how many they are. They are like, I'm coming from that. There are 2, 4, 6. There are 8 corridors going in different directions from that 360 bridge around the sphere on the core of the spacecraft. That's not a planet, that's a spacecraft. I can't see where is the top and where is the bottom. It's so immense. But that's only the floor that I've been. There are some experiments that I can't see, and I don't have the rights to see. That's, oh yeah, I see a lot of stuff there. That I now I understand why I know some stuff that I don't know how I know them. It's happening pretty often that I know things that I've never read or I've never seen, and I just know them that they're like that. Now I'm getting some answers why. Being around them in those places. And probably I've been to different places. I just don't want to jump to another one. Because I don't know, it's strange. Why me doing these things? Why me being there? From some places, scientist, and other I'm just like a warrior. I don't know. Or a soldier. Why? I'm like human. Why they want humans? I don't know.
So let's close that scene and let's find out why you're needed as a human.
I remember seeing one being once upon a time. He was one of the admirals, if I can describe it like that, of the great races, because you can understand that it's an admiral because of his clothing and some gems on his forehead that he's having in base of his position. I don't think that they are making difference between me and them. That's why I'm there. Because usually there is no possible, it's not possible to access those places if you are a different kind. This is just what is made for them. If if you if you are something else, they're not gonna give you any permissions to get inside that place. From the other side, I'm pretty sure that there are other kids working in different ways, from for different purposes, like for in those different corridors that I have seen. There are different laboratories there, and there are different kids for sure, as we are in those around those spacecrafts. There's gonna be some other kids working in the scientific experiments and so on. I don't know, but it's most likely like that. There, what it is, I don't know. It's some kind of training center also, not only a mothership, but it's immense. If it's like 4 planets together, I think that if we start searching for it, we'll see it. It's pretty huge. It's like something, but it's again, it seems to be a disc shape, like not exactly, but oval disc shape, like oval, but at the same time disc. I don't know. It's not exactly a disc, and it is like a planet. That's why I don't see. That's why we're most likely. I mean, I'm most likely there because they don't see difference. I don't know. Probably because they are taking me since I was a kid, and they're seeing me like one of them. I don't know, but it's strange, really strange. I see that they're treating me like a kid. They are like parents treating their kid like. But I don't remember eating anything on that place. Nothing. I've been there and I know that it's not short time. I've never ate anything. Never. This is, yeah, I'm now getting it. This is what the most likely the liquid was needed for, to be able to perceive their vibrations, which are actually feeding them, which are around the spacecraft. Having that, I don't need to eat because that thing is transforming like into something that's feeding me somehow. And it's changing me, of course, my mindset and everything. That's coming out of this world, of course. Probably something to get along with them better. This is what it is, that thing. That liquid. And I do know that it happened also other times that I've been injected with that thing, probably before going with them for a long time. They're doing it. and most likely is that, yeah.